In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust PHP settings in Hostinger hPanel to optimize your website's performance. Ensuring you have the correct PHP settings can significantly impact your website's functionality and speed, so let's dive into this process step by step. First, you need to log into your Hostinger hPanel. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Hostinger login page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and sign in. If you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in and at the dashboard, you're one step closer to making those necessary adjustments. Next, locate the section labeled Advanced. It's typically found on the left-hand menu of your hPanel screen. Clicking on Advanced reveals more options related to the inner workings of your web hosting environment. Here you'll find a feature called PHP Configuration. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your PHP settings can be fine-tuned. Now it's time to select the specific domain or hosting account you wish to configure. If you host multiple websites on your account, ensure you're working on the correct one by double-checking the domain listed. This specificity helps keep your website running just how you intend. Once you've selected the appropriate domains, you'll see various PHP settings that can be altered. Some key settings to consider adjusting are the memory limit, maximum execution time, and upload size. The memory limit controls how much memory a PHP script can consume, and increasing it can help prevent memory exhaustion issues. Similarly, the max execution time setting dictates how long a script can run before being terminated. Adjust this if your site has long-running scripts to prevent timeouts. Lastly, the upload size is crucial if you need to manage large file uploads. Carefully adjust these settings in accordance with the demands of your particular website and applications. After making these changes, be sure to click Save. It might seem straightforward, but it's an important step to ensure the modifications you made take effect. Without saving, your adjustments won't be active, and you'll have to redo them, which is a hassle best avoided. Finally, with your settings saved, it's time to test your website to ensure everything is functioning as it should. Navigate through your site, checking various features that could be affected by the changes. Look out for issues like pages not loading, uploading errors, or slow load times. This will confirm that your PHP configuration changes were successful and didn't negatively impact your website's operation. And there you have it. By simply adjusting these PHP settings in Hostinger hPanel, you can see a real difference in your website's performance. This method is an excellent way to troubleshoot and enhance how your site functions with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.